Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use a French voice on 11labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to 11labs.io and choose the voice option, the voices option here. Then proceed to choose the collection option here and scroll down and look for your language here. Now click on the French option here, and it should bring you to a page similar to this. Now you can proceed to choose a voice or sample them for you to have an overview of
Découvrez lors de cette visite comment
each voice brings to the table.
je t'attendais.
So once you've seen a voice that speaks to your project, all you have to do is click on the add option here, and it will be added to my voices where you can modify them for your project. So if this video has been helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one.